So we bought the Stash Spice Dragon Red Chai for Dragon New Year. The Year of the Dragon. Cinnamon. Look at the logo. You like that?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a picture
Sarah's
of
going to
it.
cut that out. All right, so we made some. So what do you think?
I really like it so far. It smells good. It doesn't smell overly strong.
Like not too much clove? That's the main thing about chai is the clove, I think. I think the balance of the cloves is the big thing.
This is very light. I love it compared to the normal. That's the problem with chai. They always overdo it.
Yeah,
So where's the other chai that we have?
probably up in the cupboard.
Compared to the other normal chai that we usually get, that's always really strong.
Ooh, that is good.
That is nice.
Let me see that.
Yeah, I don't know what Rooibos is, but
It's from South Africa, apparently.
well, that's
Smooth drinking Rooibos from South Africa. That's not how South Africans sound. Smooth drinking Rooibos from South Africa. I have to work on that.
Yeah.
Cinnamon, Rooibos, ginger root, and clove. So there's clove in here, but there's not. It's the last ingredient.
yeah, it's not like
Because a little bit of clove goes a long way.
yeah. I can't stand it when there's too much chai.
Here, hold that for a second. I'll get the other box. Yeah, the other one has nutmeg and I think.
Right there, it's right on your left on the first shelf.
Yep, that's it. This is Trader Joe's spiced chai.
And that one's just nuts.
Black tea. This one is
It's
decaffeinated.
decaffeinated.
Well, it's just not caffeinated. This one is tea plus
Black tea.
a bunch of other stuff. Here you go. Cinnamon, ginger, cloves, cardamom, star anise. Cardamom apparently
Star
is really
an-
expensive. I was going to buy some of it, but it comes in pods and you have to crush it. Star anise is nice. Black pepper, nutmeg is a little bit bitter, I think. Roasted chicory. That's why it tastes like tree bark. Vanilla, though. I do like vanilla. I might have to do
I
something
love
with
both.
vanilla.
I like both.
Yeah, they
I like-
both have their place.
Yeah,
This is a calming tea.
this is very light.
And
I like
this
it.
is like a get riled up tea.
I like it. I like it.
I like you.
I'm gonna